Hello everybody, today I'm gonna dehydrate fruit. I've never dehydrated before. It's like a tiny annoying orange. I don't even know if this thing's ripe. And then we're gonna rank it. I like this one, but the texture is like an unripe pear.
It's kind of weird.
But I like it. So let's go. 5 fruits. They are a grapefruit, kumquat, a quince, an apple, and kiwis. So yeah, let's see if we can make it as good as Bulk Barn. Okay, I'm gonna try a kumquat. I think you can eat the skin, so I'm just gonna try it. And if you can't, we're gonna find out pretty soon. I feel like if you peeled it, there'd be no kumquat though, right? I'm gonna look it up. Yes, you can eat the entire kumquat, peel, flesh, seeds. Oh, those are some pretty big seeds. Who would want to eat this peel?
Later.
Well, it's not actually that bad. Okay, that part's bad. Oh. I could have just read the outside because it literally says edible peel on it. So it says sweet citrus with edible peel. It's like a tiny annoying orange. So this is a quince. It's like an apple, pear, and citrus apparently mixed together. Apparently, I've been told by Google that it's not yummy raw. Google appears to be wrong. Yeah, it says quince tastes like a highly aromatic, complex blend of apple, pear, and citrus with notes of vanilla and honey when cooked, transforming from a raw, rock hard, and I don't know that word. If you cook this, it turns it into like a red pink color. So I don't even know if this thing's ripe. The texture is not fun, but the flavor is nice, you know? I know what kiwis and apple taste like, and I know what grapefruit tastes like. Dad, do I need to try the things I know what they taste like on camera? So I just got all of the fruit and give you a little walk through. So for the apples, I put lemon. I dipped them in lemon, and then I put them in cinnamon because my family wanted cinnamon, and then also put in lemon to help because when you get them from Bulk Barn, there's this flavor, and we think it's lemon, so we're trying lemon, and also to help it not go brown. I didn't do that for this thing. I forget what it's called. My dad will put it on the screen because it does say that it tastes like pear, apple, citrus, but it's not an apple, so it's just gonna try it like this. And if we feel like it needs apple, then we'll add apple, you know? Oh, here, I'll show you. So we have that on top. Apples, kumquats and kiwis, grapefruit and kumquats. Okay, for this one, so we have to plug it in first, actually. You're gonna go temperature, you're gonna do 140. Time, you're just gonna start with 10 hours and you can keep checking it. Ta-da! And we'll check back in 3 to 4 hours and see how they're doing. Okay? Okay, so it's been 2.5 hours. So let's check them. Woo! Oh, it's so warm. Okay. Ready? it's even more quiet. No, don't start again. It's so warm. Oh, it's our first tray of the Quince. I think that's what it's called. Oh, I'm not taking the apples out. Grapefruit. I think it's done. Some flip it around so that these ones go to the back. They'll go faster, you know? You know. Because when you know. This is going for an hour. We'll check it in an hour. It should be done in an hour. So, it's been...
A day?
a day. These only went on for another hour. And they seem to be pretty good, except for this one because I cut it on an angle, but like, that's whatever.
So we're not going to eat that one.
But maybe it'll be good, so. So we have our Kiwis, our Kumquats, our Quince, apples, and grapefruit. And we're about to try them, but Ephraim has something to say.
Just a reminder, we got a new merch. All the other stuff's being deleted. We have this shirt and a couple other shirts, some cups, a bunch of stuff. Just go check it out. Link in the description. Also, every month or so, we're going to be switching the merch. And whoever buys merch from now until then will get entered in a draw to win a shirt from the next time we drop merch.
So you can buy this shirt.
You can buy this one and
then you can buy this shirt and then you can get a shirt from the next drop. So the new design
if you win the raffle.
Yes.
So let's start trying these.
Should I pause it?
Sure. Which one do you want to try first?
Oh, what do you want to try first?
I don't know. It's your video.
No, I'm going to let you pick.
I want to try this.
The Kumquat?
Actually, no, Kiwi.
Kiwi? Okay. Cheers. Why did you have to smell it?
I don't know. Pretty good. Tastes like a date.
Yeah, it doesn't taste like a kiwi. It kind of tastes like an apple, but like an apple with like a little bit of sour. Do you taste that?
I feel like it tastes more like a date.
No, that's not
like a
right.
sour date. I don't know. It's like a B for me.
I give it an A. I like it.
What's this supposed to taste
kumquat?
like?
Like an orange.
Really?
Citrus. And then you have to try the skin. Holy. So it like crunched up like a orange.
It's really crunchy.
But it's kind of nice like that.
It tastes like an orange peel.
Want to try the skin?
Why? I just had some. Are you like, when you eat it, are you supposed to eat the skin?
Yeah.
It's chewy.
It's not that bad.
It's like an orange.
I think it's sweeter than an orange skin.
Well, yeah, the skin's definitely better than orange skin, but it's okay.
I don't really like them.
It's kind of bitter. It's like another B for me.
Yeah, I'd give it a B too. You want to try the Quince?
There's a Quince.
It's like it's supposed to taste like a pear, an apple, and citrus. Don't try it yet. And then when you bake it, it like has like a honey flavor.
So it should taste like honey?
Sweeter. I like this one, but the texture is like an unripe pear.
Yeah.
So I think it might have been unripe.
You think so?
Yeah.
Did you try it on its own?
Yeah. It was like, it tasted like an unripe pear. Well, like the texture was like.
So it's like more.
I don't know. It's kind of, I like it. What do you think?
I think it's another B.
Yeah, I'm like a B plus or like an A minus. Like.
It's weird.
Apple?
Apple with cinnamon.
And just dipped in lemon, not soaked. And then, alright? Wait, cheers.
Just put that on your mouth.
No, the back I didn't. I didn't put the back in.
No. Oh.
Cheers.
You cut these really thin.
I like these.
It's nice.
You can never go wrong with dried apple.
Yeah. This is nice.
Yeah.
Wow. We should probably agree on a rating for all of them at the end. I haven't really had dried apple that's like this before.
It's like almost an apple chip.
I feel like you need to leave it in longer.
Do you want it to be an apple chip?
Well, I don't know. I like.
This one like dissolves in your mouth.
Yeah, now we're having some good dried apple.
Yeah, I'm really excited for the grapefruit.
Okay.
I think it's good that way though.
Mm.
A really good grapefruit too. No, you can't eat that. It's not a skin, it's the pith.
Oh, but mine's like still wet.
What?
Mine's like still wet.
Let me see. No, not the pith's not that.
Not
Oh,
that. Look,
great.
see?
I like it like that.
It's kind of weird.
But I like it. Bro, I miss the apple chips we used to get from Costco.
I don't really like it.
I think I'll give it an A.
I'm at
Is it
C.
too bitter for you? A C?
So we can come to the middle and agree on a B?
I guess. Well, I'll go back for more.
What's that?
The middle.
That's not the middle. Try that. Yeah, I'm at C on that one. It was really weird. Mine was like a little like chewy still. It wasn't like crunchy and it was really
Oh,
bitter.
it's good like that. No, it's not bitter.
Mine was really bitter.
Crazy man.
Okay, so let's go back to the other ones and just agree on a.
These were just a B, right?
I don't know. What do you give that?
I gave it a B.
Yeah, I think B. This one.
Like I really like the kiwi. I give it an A.
I think we need to leave these in for longer. You didn't cook them enough.
Dried fruit isn't supposed to be hard. It's supposed to be chewy.
Huh? I can come to an A on that.
Okay, and then this, I gave like an A- or B.
I give this a B. So B.
Okay. Apple,
Apple was an S.
obviously.
Easy S. Even with this, you had to have a synonym
So
though.
we have to go for B with this one because I gave it an A and you gave it a C.
Yeah, and the grapefruit's a B. Well, if you guys want to see us do more videos like this where we dehydrate random fruits and things like that,
Let us
then
know.
let us know and like and subscribe. Comment for what you want us.
To dehydrate, even if you don't think it'll work, we'll still try.
We'll brave it out. All right. Thank you for watching. See you guys in the next video.
That was awkward.